Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm doing a little unstuffing and then probably a condensing. But I'm going to take some money back to the bank. I have some things that I need to take to the bank that I had saved for instance, a subscription. So I'm taking that back to the bank because I already enrolled for an annual subscription to Canva. And that's what this is going to pay for. And then I have a couple of other things that I had to use that were more like card payments that came out, and I want to put money back into my account to account for them. So yeah, that's kind of the idea for this video. I'm just gonna go through my envelopes and pull out the money. The first one I'm gonna do is subscriptions. Like I said, I've been saving for this one. Actually, I don't know how long I've been saving for this one. Since 12/30. Oh, okay, so only a month. So that's pretty good. Because I plan on saving for some other subscriptions to do an annual subscription for them. So this first one is Canva. The next one I'm going to save for is Max. So yeah, in a month I was able to at least do that subscription. So I'm going to take this money back to the bank. I did already sign up to do the yearly subscription for Canva. It just hasn't taken it out of my bank account yet, but at least this will be in the bank. So that way this will be the payment. So I have $120. That's how much the subscription is. So I'm just going to put this here, and then I'm left with $5. And this is just going to be the start. What's going towards my Max subscription. Oops, I put the wrong number. I think the max one is 200. Depending on like which plan you get, but I think I'm gonna get the one that's like 200. Okay, so that's subscriptions. I have $5 in that one now. Okay, so that one is all done for this. Okay, next let's go to, okay, I have Scentsy. I might need change though, so I'm gonna come back to that one. Road trip. Okay, I went to Disney over the weekend, and road trip is for when I go out of town, when I go to Disney or to go to visit family, because I have family that lives like hours away. Gas is very expensive here, so it's nice to at least have a little extra for when I need to make those trips. I don't usually cash stuff my regular gas for like daily use or work or anything like that. I don't really drive too far, but I like the idea of having this road trip one where I can pull from when I need to put more gas, like use more gas than usual. So that's what this one is for. I need $30 because I only put $30 extra to make that trip. So this is the 30 that I'm taking out, and yeah, that was more than enough to come back. And then also I haven't had to fill up yet, so I still have some gas left. So that's the road trip one. And then I'm left with $50, $70, $80. I'm actually going out of town over the weekend to an even further out of town trip. So I'm probably going to use most of this money for that, to fund that, because I'm going to be driving at least 3.5, 4 hours to go visit my brother. So yeah, this will come in super handy. So I'm just gonna minus the 30, and then I had $50, $70, $80 left. Okay, so that's road trip, all good to go. And that is done. And then next I have content. I should do Scentsy because content's in this one. Okay, so Scentsy, I have a subscription. Well, it's not, is it a subscription? It's like a, what do they call it? They call it something that I can't remember, but it's basically it's like a subscription, but I can change what I want in it. It's like a pre-order or an order for every few months of scents that I like to get. So I just made a payment for one of the orders that I do, I think bi-monthly, I don't know. I need to go in and edit it and take some things out. But I'm getting an order sent and it was $47. So I'm actually just gonna take, I'm just gonna take the 50 and I need to make change. 20, 30, 35. Okay, I need to make change. And I can make change in here. So I'm just gonna grab in my dollar challenge. I have a bunch of ones in here. So I'm just gonna grab some ones, just 10 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I grabbed the perfect amount. Okay, let me just double check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10. Okay, so this is just gonna go here, and then I'm gonna put this 10 in here. So at least I have some ones. Okay. So that'll help with the condensing of this one right now. Okay, now I can make change. So I need I'm paying $47, so I need $3 over here to put back in here, and then I can put this 50 here. And then that is it for this one. So now what I have left is 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, $38 left. Let's see. Because I took 47. Okay, so that one's all done. And then the last one is not in this binder, is my other binder, and that one is content. So I always get questions about my content envelope, but content basically is an envelope that I like to use to buy items that I use here on my channel or on my, like any social media kind of thing. And content, I like to use this to go do like hauls at like Dollar Tree. I like to do like budget friendly ones. So I've done like Dollar Tree, Five Below has been another good one. The Target section, like the bullseye section, because there's like cheap products there. And then for this one, I did an Amazon order. So that video is coming soon once I receive all the products. So I'm still waiting for one thing. But I did purchase $65 worth. Oh, and I forgot to mention, all these totals, except for subscriptions, I rounded up from what I actually paid because they were like, they had some change on them. So I just rounded everything up just to make it a little easier. I don't want to deal with change. So content, it was like 64 something with some change, but I just rounded it up to 65. So I have a 50, 65 that I'm able to put over here. And make some space. Okay, so that's everything. And then I'm left with $25 in content. I might go to Dollar Tree again. I haven't been to Dollar Tree in a bit. Oops, keep writing the wrong amounts. 65 and I'm left with 25. But yeah, I haven't been to Dollar Tree in a bit, and just to see if they have anything like planning wise or budgeting wise. I always like to check in over there. All right, so here, that was the last one, and I should have now 262, I believe. That's what I calculated over here. So I'm just gonna count it over here. So I have 100, 200, 20, 40, 240, 250, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. Okay, so 262. That's exactly what I need to take back to the bank. So that is all good. All right, so now that I have the money that I know I should have over there, I'm just gonna do a quick condensing just in case. I like to do this just every time I take money back to the bank, especially if I have hundreds and 50s, to try to see if I can get them to go into these envelopes. Okay, so this one has 480. So this one's good. Can't do anything with that one. Might not be able to do too much, but I like to just double check it. Let's see here, 50. Yeah, can't do anything there. Electronics. Okay, maybe here. Yeah, I can do a 50 here. So I have 20, 40, 50. 50. So I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 450, 455, 56, 57. 457. Perfect. Okay, so that's electronics. Emergency has 845. Okay, so I can do nothing there. Put that back. Okay, extra debt has 40. So that one's good. Furniture's good. Gifts, I'm gonna leave that one as it is. Rainy day is good. Scentsy is, I have 38. So I think that's good, yeah. Subscriptions has 5, and treat yourself. I don't know if this one can be condensed a little. Okay, I could do a 50. So 20, 40, 60. I could do a 50 and a 10. So 50 and a 10. So in cash, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 450, 460, 65, 66, 466. Yep, perfect. All right, so that's it for this one. Oh, and I can also do my, I'm gonna do this one last, but I'm gonna do my savings. This one has 100. Oh, maybe I can do 100 in here. Yeah, definitely. Okay, so I have 50, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. So I can take the $100 bill, put it over here. Okay, so that's 100 over here. I only have 100 in cash in this one. I have a bunch in the bank already. That one's good. So let me see if I can condense this one a little bit more. Okay, so I have 50, 70, oh wait, no, hold on. Let me see if I can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I can do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I think that's all I can do there. 20, 30, yeah. Okay. That's good. This one I can do. I can do 2 20s. So 5, 10, 15, 20. I'm sorry, I can do 120. 120. That one's empty. Okay, here's this one maybe. Okay, I could definitely do something here. Okay, so I'm gonna do 20, 40, 60. I could do a 50 and a 10 here. 50 and a 10. And then maybe a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10. Actually 20. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 in here. Yeah, I just like to get those 100s and 50s back into this rotation, so at least I got rid of all those. That's good. Okay, and then I'm just going to do this one really quick. This one might need it. We'll see. Okay, beauty's empty. Spent everything in beauty. Oh yeah, I can definitely do stuff in here. Okay, so 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Which I guess is just 10, 5, 10, 15, 20. Just a 20. Okay. So I have 20, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53 in clothing. Content is 25, so that's good. Costco, I only have $1 left in Costco. Disney has 32, so that's good. Family has 65, so that's good. Fun. I can do a 10 here. So that's 50, 70, 90, 100, 105. 105, perfect. Hobbies. I can do a 10 here. And this is 4. So that's 20, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54 in hobbies. Holiday decor has 95. Oh, that one's good. Home decor is 10. Household 26. That's good. Target has, I think I do something here. 25. Okay, so that's all I can really do in these envelopes. Okay, perfect. So now I just need to double check my count over here. Make sure I still have 262 on this side. So we'll see 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40. So 140. 10, 15, oh my gosh. 10, 20, 30. 5s. Oh, it's starting to rain. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. And then ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oop. Wait, I messed up. Hold on, let me try that again. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40. I'm getting distracted by the rain, sorry. 10, 20, 30. 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, perfect. I think I inputted it wrong and it gave me the wrong answer. All right, so 262, that is what's going back to the bank. Thank you so much for watching this unstuffing and cash condensing. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video.